How to schedule, estimate quantity, and cost of grout sealer in Revit. Create shared type parameter. Shared type parameter. Select new type grout sealer cost. Type parameter currency. Okay. Go to project parameters. Select add. Shared parameter. Select grout sealer cost. Okay. Select type group parameter under identity data. Check the walls, the floors. Okay. Then okay. Create global parameter to assign in our grout sealer cost parameter. Go to global parameter. Create new type grout sealer cost. Type parameter currency. Group parameter under identity data. Okay. Let's put the price, let's say $8.50 per liter. Apply. Okay. Then assign grout sealer cost from global parameter into a floor. Select the floor or the tiles. Edit type. Check grout sealer cost. Select. Then select the grout sealer cost. Okay. Then apply. Okay. Then create schedule quantities for floor under schedule tab. Go to view, schedule quantities, then paste new construction, select the floors. Okay. Then insert type the area and the grout sealer cost. Okay. Add calculated parameter and name it grout sealer quantity. So type grout sealer quantity per liter. Okay. For the formula, select area. Okay. Over 40. Open and close parentheses. Times 1.10. Okay. Note 20 cm by 20 cm tiles is equals to 0.45 square meter per liter coverage. The 30 cm by 30 cm tiles is equals to 10 square meter per liter coverage. In our project, we use 60 cm by 60 cm tiles, which is equals to 40 square meter per liter coverage. 1.10 is the plus 10% allowance for wastage. Next, add calculated parameter and name it total cost. Okay, add calculated value, type total cost. Then the type currency. For the formula, select grout sealer quantity. times grout sealer cost. Okay, then okay, go to sorting and grouping, check grand totals, formatting, total cost, alignment right, field format. Okay, then calculate totals, go to grout sealer cost, alignment right, check field format. Okay, grout sealer quantity, alignment right, check field format, uncheck, select fix to decimal places, check use digit grouping, calculate totals, area, alignment right, check field format, uncheck, make sure we have 2 decimal places, use digit grouping. Okay, then calculate totals, appearance, uncheck blank row before data, double check. Okay, let's see the schedule. Okay, you have the type, you have the area, you have the grout sealer quantity, then you have the grout sealer cost, and the total cost. Okay, let's try to revise the price. Let's say 880, apply. Okay, now you have the revised total cost. Thank you.